skills right now. Chin choose the soldier, carrying the world on my shoulder. This is real hip-hop. Playtime's over, I'm ill right now. I'm acting when I'm older, skills right now. Chin choose the soldier, carrying the world on my shoulder. When I say hip, y'all say hop. Hip,
Hop,
hip,
hop,
when I say hip, y'all say hop.
hip, hop,
Hip,
hop.
out.
Why, shorty, man. Yo, bump it. Now let me get on and spank some of this with little shorty doo-wop. The block came through in a car and we parked. My man got the camera and bruh, you gotta listen and understand the way it jumps off with us. Feel like you in the club, we gon' soften you up. Tough guy, bootleg, shut down the Met Cafe. Niggas can't do it like me, I'm too nasty. Especially when shorty by my side in the 3rd grade, rapping like he did it all his life. Yo, we in the whip, we keep it dumb tight, funky. Sip, ill funk G, we in the back with E. Rapping, rhyming on the camera, got stamina, spit operate like camera. Yo, I dap up my man, hands to hands up. We in the whip, we make all the chicks stand up. Now me and Shorty, we gon' rock it like this, back and forth, freestyle. Now hit me with a little bit.
Yo, I may be little, but I'm full for y'all. Give me a tail, I get dough for y'all. I got dough for y'all. Feed me beats and I go for you, do a show for y'all. I'm only 7, but rhyme like I'm 11. 3, 4, 5, goddamn, I'm 6, 7. Little man, what up, black? Respect that. Little cat with big raps. Let it low like kerosene. I'm blowing up. Stuck in the 1st grade, the mind never grown up. 40 combo, please don't get it twisted. Laying the butt with this pants on the way. Left the daddy, you told me to dream big. And guess what? I had a dream, I was big. Married a bitch, and all ice expensive. Give me the keys, put it in neutral. Everybody says the children are the future. In real life, I find it hard to handle with kids. So I'm young, black, and single. Had a vision, I was platinum. Showing the town, I'm from Pawtucket, but I rap like I'm from Brooklyn. Heavy on the pancake.
Brooklyn, nigga.
Dogs, no doors out of state, and no one seeing. I'm too little to blow for ya. Feed me, and I promise that I grow for ya. I may be little, but I blow for ya. Give me a deal, I can do for ya. Pin in the bag, I got more for ya. Feed me beats, and I go for ya. Do a show for ya. It's your turn.
Yeah, my man mentioned Brooklyn. Now that's where I'm from, so shorty good looking. How we hold it down up in the Buick. Spit it off the noggin like he knew it. And it be real, son, we bang beats all day. Even if the camera's in my fitties and I ain't pretty, nigga, my attitude stay shitty. And I could give a mother fizzy yuck about a bit A. And where I go, son, niggas can't go cause this gun plitty. They stay home cause the bullets too many. Them niggas is scared, they might fucking hit me. Yo, we get drizz with the flow like all we do is all day smoke dro. I jump off through the hokey poke your throat with nothing but lead. Heat up that hot head. Yo, a hard head'll make a soft ass. A hard head'll also get you off fast. Talking that shit, I leave your corpse at last. I drama beat, stomp a beat, kill it like piranhas on your feet. Nip on your toes, niggas won't have no more. Fuck it for show. Big B-L-O is the M-O without the E. Slowly, oh, what you owe me? Yo, I jump off into the twist. Me and shorty, we heat shit up a little bit. I'ma get up in the club, hit the bar and get pissed. And make some hot bitch strip. Yeah, how we do it, shorty rock. Hit him with the camera, man, hit him with the spot.
Yo, I'm a man child, be surprised at what I know. Flip flows like pros, give me those. Cuties on the balcony, I know I'm young, no sex, but I still need company. I wanna share what you're feeling it. I know you chicks be loving it, clocking me home. Let's test time, want the good choice, you can cheat off mine. Got the brains of a genius, and blood's fine. Imagine how I look when I'm itching the 25 now. Stay jiggy on the weekends, half Indian, half Puerto Rican. Who that? Trying to be like me, then you're 18, spitting rhymes like you're 13. If I was speak some
and I'ma blow for ya. Yo, niggas can't touch it. Shorty done twisted out just like a Dutch kid. Mad props to you, your pops, and the rest of your fam that ever hugged the block. Cause all we do is sit up in the whip and bang nothing but that pure hip-hop shit. Right now you probably thinking, damn, you wrote that, right? I'm looking at you like you know this, not. No written shit. Get in your shit, you the shark nigga. Biting and bitten this. Spit up some slang that don't make no sense. But don't give a fuck, I'm the motherfucking hip-hop drench. Switch it to it quick, snatch your shit. Acro back, flip over shit and smack your lips. That's how it be, I'm like Jackie Chan. I'm like the fatty man. I came through and gave you a fucking daddy's hand. Broke that back with that shit you can't rhyme with. I'm sick. Niggas call me the rhyme genius or the rhyme nitwit, the blob mix shit. Shorty, I ain't even catch a lyrical. How you put it on? Tell them who are you? Yeah.
They're hearing now what the big boys understand. I'm slow to water pistol cause I don't need no handgun. And I be fat, don't sleep, I keep a little rap. More snap for 6, so don't stop it up. I'm into it, I'm trying to block when my heart is into. I do my homework and fit rhyme to instrumentals. I'm harder than any other kids my age. Take them on stage and blaze, get up in their ribcage. Leave them talking for days. I ain't really at it. What they call them? Just who that little nigga spitting for centipedes. Times out, I'm about to blow up. Count stacks of these tracks on the bills rolled up. Raps in my folder. I'll be that ass when I'm older. And I flush it, don't drink the liquids, don't pass me a cola.
Yo,
I love a fan, grew up in rap, skip the truck, get graduate from high school. Then pick my thug name, you know that you word up. Gentle say to serve you. Razor sharp styles, running wild at the West Club. On my skin, no cup before it's going up. See a thing like the big ones, don't pay no tongue, try to make the ball get like Tekken 3. Little kids be testing me. Lucky I can hold them down, hold them up, the rest of me,